Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Up English podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and friendly. I'm Julie, and I am really excited about today's episode. Yesterday, I went to a shop, and I saw big, beautiful Christmas trees everywhere. The smell of the pine trees was so nice. It made me feel warm and happy inside. It reminded me that Christmas is coming soon.
I know exactly what you mean, Julie. Christmas trees always give that special feeling. And for all our listeners around the world, we have a simple question today. What is Christmas all about? And how can we talk about Christmas in easy English?
Great question, John. Christmas is a big holiday in many countries. But for English learners, there are so many new words. Decorations, food, traditions. It can feel a little difficult.
Yes, but don't worry. Today, we want to make everything simple. We will speak slowly and clearly. We will explain every new word so everyone can understand. This is your safe space to learn English.
Absolutely. And today we will talk about three main things. 1. Christmas decorations. 2. Christmas food. And 3. Christmas traditions and feelings. And finally, we'll teach you easy sentences you can use at Christmas.
So let's start with decorations. When I think of Christmas, I see colors. Red, green, gold, silver, they are everywhere. So Julie, tell us, what decoration is the most important for you?
For me, it's definitely the Christmas tree. My family and I put up the tree every year in our living room. It's a big green tree. We put small, beautiful lights around it. Then we add ornaments on the branches.
Ornaments, good word. Can you explain what an ornament is?
Of course, an ornament is a small, pretty item you hang on the Christmas tree. It can be a ball, a star, a bell, a snowman, or even a small Santa Claus figure. Ornaments make the tree look shiny and lovely.
Nice! My favorite decoration is the lights outside the houses. Many people put lights on their roofs and around their windows. At night, the whole street looks magical. You see red, green, and white lights shining everywhere.
Yes, and many homes also have a wreath on the front door. A wreath is a circle made from green leaves, pine, or flowers. It's a sign of welcome. It says, "Hello, welcome to our home."
So here are some easy decoration words. Christmas tree, the big green tree. Lights, small bright decorations. Ornaments, pretty objects for the tree. Wreath, circle decoration for the door.
When you see a home with bright lights and a wreath, you know they celebrate Christmas. It brings happiness to the streets. Okay, John, decorations are beautiful, but now let's talk about something I really love, the food.
I knew you would say that. So, Julie, tell us, what is the smell of Christmas for you?
For me, it is the smell of cookies. My mother makes Christmas cookies every year. They are sweet and shaped like stars, trees, and little people. We call them gingerbread cookies. They smell warm and spicy, so delicious.
I love gingerbread too. In my home, we always have a big Christmas dinner. We eat turkey, which is a large bird. Many families in the USA and UK eat turkey on Christmas Day. It's a tradition. We also have potatoes, vegetables, and gravy.
Yes, and of course, we have special drinks too. There is hot chocolate, a warm, sweet drink with milk and chocolate. Many children drink it on cold nights. And for adults, there is mulled wine, warm red wine mixed with spices like cinnamon. It smells amazing.
And don't forget the famous candy cane. It's a hard, sweet candy that is red and white. It looks like a walking stick. Kids love candy canes.
Let's review the food vocabulary. Gingerbread cookies, sweet cookies with Christmas shapes. Turkey, traditional Christmas dinner food. Hot chocolate, warm chocolate drink. Mulled wine, warm spiced wine. Candy cane, red and white sweet.
Food brings families together. You sit at the table, eat delicious food, talk, and laugh. That is the real magic of Christmas. Now let's talk about feelings. Christmas is not only about what we see or what we eat, it's also about what we feel. So, Julie, tell us, what is the best Christmas feeling for you?
For me, the best feeling is giving. I love choosing presents for people I love. I like seeing their happy faces when they open the gifts.
Yes, giving presents is a big tradition. On Christmas morning, children run to the tree to open gifts. And many children believe in a very kind man. Julie, can you tell us who he is?
Of course. His name is Santa Claus. He is a big, happy man with a white beard and a red suit. He lives at the North Pole. On Christmas Eve, he flies in a sleigh pulled by reindeer. He brings presents to children around the world.
A sleigh is like a carriage that moves on snow. And reindeer are animals, like deer, that pull the sleigh. The most famous reindeer is Rudolph. He has a bright red nose.
And of course, Christmas has music too. Christmas songs are called carols. You hear them in shops, on the radio, and at home. Songs like Jingle Bells make everyone smile.
So here are key words for traditions and feelings. Presents, gifts, things you give. Santa Claus, Christmas gift giver. Sleigh, snow carriage. Reindeer, animals that pull the sleigh. Carols, Christmas songs. Love, kindness, peace, true feelings of Christmas.
Christmas is a time to be with your family, to be kind, and to share love. That is the heart of the holiday.
Julie, our listeners want to speak English, right? So let's teach some easy sentences.
Great idea. Here are useful Christmas sentences. 1. Merry Christmas, the most common greeting. 2. Happy Holidays for everyone. 3. Thank you, I love it when you get a present. 4. Thank you for having me when someone invites you. 5. The tree is so beautiful, good for parties. 6. This food is delicious, simple and friendly.
These sentences are easy but very powerful. They show love and gratitude.
So today we talked about Christmas decorations, Christmas food, Christmas traditions, Christmas feelings, and simple sentences you can use.
Yes, and remember, the most important thing is not perfect English. The most important thing is the feeling. A smile, a thank you, a Merry Christmas. Yes, and remember, the most important thing is not perfect English. The most important thing is the feeling. A smile, a thank you, a Merry Christmas.
This Christmas, try to use one new English word or sentence. You can do it. We believe in you.
Thank you so much for listening to the Speak Up English podcast. We love learning with you.
From both of us, Julie and John, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.